Your Aadhaar is unique and will remain unchanged throughout your life. But your details registered at the time of Aadhaar enrollment may undergo changes from time to time. For example, you may want to change or correct your name, address, date of birth, or mobile phone number. You can update any one or all this in 3 different ways. 1. Online. 2. Through post. 3. Visiting an Aadhaar Kendra or permanent enrollment center. If you plan on doing it online, then log on to www.uidai.gov.in. Aadhaar homepage opens up. Click on Aapka Aadhaar. Now click on Update your Aadhaar data. Click on Update data online. The Aadhaar self-service update portal opens up. Here you will find all the information about how to update any or all of your Aadhaar data and what are the documents required and other information. To submit your update or correction request, click on the link that says "Click here." Dear resident, here you will find 3 easy steps. Step 1. Log in with Aadhaar. Step 2. Submit your update request. And Step 3. Upload documents. Now type your Aadhaar number and enter the CAPTCHA. A one-time password will be sent to your registered mobile number. If you have not given any number at the time of enrollment, then the portal will ask you to enter your mobile number. In case you have changed your mobile number provided at the time of enrollment, you can visit the nearest Aadhaar Kendra for registering your new mobile number. Enter the OTP or the one-time password, and on the next screen, select the field you want to update. The language for update is pre-selected as per the language in which the resident was enrolled. The next screen of data update opens up. Enter details into the field or fields that you intend to update. Please verify correctness of the translation in local language, which appears on right side automatically. Click on Submit Update Request. Review the details in the next screen. Check the box which says I confirm. Click on Proceed if you are satisfied with the changes, or click on Modify if you wish to correct the information entered. Scan and upload self-attested, that means photocopies of documents signed by you, copies of documents that support your update request. Make a note of your update request number, which appears on the next screen. The information submitted by you is subject to verification and validation. So, it will take some time, but you can check the status of your update by clicking the Update Status link on the self-service update portal. Those who want to update their data through post can download the form from the website. Click on Aapka Aadhaar. Click on Update your Aadhaar data. Download the form by clicking the form. Fill in the details as directed in the form. Make changes to those fields that you need to update. You also need to fill the details in local language that you enrolled in. Please complete the entire form. Send us the self-attested copies of the documents along with the completed update request form to the post box as given in the instructions on the website. For information on the address of your designated office, please click on Instructions for sending update request through post. Updating your data using the online portal or using the postal route is free of cost. Our third option is to visit your local Aadhaar Kendra for updating your data. You can locate Aadhaar Kendra by visiting our website. Click on Aapka Aadhaar. Click on Resident tab. Click on Where to enroll. Click on Enrollment Centers where you can enroll for Aadhaar link. Select your state, district and locality by clicking on the corresponding drop-down menu. Check the box below, which says Only Permanent Centers. You need to pay a fee of up to ₹15 per request for updating any one or all data fields at the Aadhaar Kendra. In addition to demographics, biometric data such as fingerprints and iris image can also be updated at the Aadhaar Kendra. Children who have an Aadhaar need to get their biometric details updated once they attain the age of 5 and again at 15 years of age. These are the 3 easy ways by which you can update your Aadhaar. I hope this helps you to change and update your Aadhaar data. For any other information, you can log on to uidai.gov.in.